time has come to give the house a facelift, and that will include changing out these horrible timber bifold doors. These bifold doors are now 19 years old. They looked fantastic when they were new, and I like the idea of having the full bifold so it can open the whole distance and leave a really big opening into from the house onto the deck. But they've aged not really well, and we'd like to replace them with a nice brand new sliding door. So let me show you what we've got. Being a timber frame door, and these earlier bifold sets, you can see there are lots of gaps around the edges of the door, which means we used to get lots and lots of bugs inside, especially at night. Let's start pulling it apart, shall we? So that was a pretty difficult job to do. The door was a little bit tight fitting, but it's in, and let me show you what it looks like. Right, now time to fill in all the gaps. So we've got some metal to put around the edges to fill that gap and put all that decking back in. So I've got the last little bit of beading to go here along the floor, and then I'm all done. And here's the door finished. Got all the architraves on it. We've painted, and let's have a look at the final reveal. And this is the finished product from the inside. Looks much lighter and brighter.